Welcome to the vlog. 40 minutes of editing. Footage to edit. I'm almost halfway. And meanwhile, those are huge. Yes. Ooh. Well, got it cut down to 34 minutes. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Get pumping. That was fun. Last night's vlog was definitely a good one. You have to go check it out if you haven't seen it. We rented a movie theater to play Smash Bros. Alyssa's mom got married. What else? There was a bunch of things. Put under cabinet lights underneath their kitchen cabinets. There's a lot of good stuff in last week's vlog. It's definitely a really good one. So the question is can you guess what's in this big box? I bet you can. You do it now. Pause this video and guess what this package is. I bet you that you will not be able to guess it. Oh yeah, and I got this from Alaska. Okay, you better have guessed by now. My guess is you were wrong. Are you ready for it? 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 Oh, I don't know how to cut. Lily's barking because it's a package for her. Oh, it's such a big box for such a little thing. Literally, it's dog food. Look at that. Look at how much unnecessary space that is. I should have just took the shipping label and slapped it on that. Yeesh. My little gaming kitty.
Good morning, Pee-Pee.
Well, we came to a ball game.
Sure. Come on.
Nope. Well, it started daily.
Watch it.
Where are they at?
Well then. It got canceled. At least we got beer and nachos and a churro out of it.
And we got a churro.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh.
Look at all the snow.
Hail.
But it was hail, but now it's snow because it stayed. Ooh, well, we got through half of an ending, is all.
Yeah.
No money's back neither.
We can go back tomorrow.
Okay, time to get warm. Time to dry out the feet. Look at the big puddle of water going down. Is that delicious or what? I can't believe I just did that. I was trying so hard to get to level 100 on Fortnite and win the game. And took me like 4 or 5 games. And I finally hit level 100 and won the game, and I think I got probably like quite a few kills too. It wasn't too bad of a game. Let's see how many kills I got. I got 10 kills even. So I mean, I was so freaking nervous. Oh, but I got to level 100 and won the game. Oh, same game. Oh, I was so scared. Well, Fifi gonna have a mansion. Yes. Yeah, he went in it, but I'm gonna cut another door in it. That way he can run in and run through it. You jumped back. You put it in the closet a long time ago. In there. I could pull it out too, because then they could go from between each of them. Thief, that is not your food. I fed Lily a heck of a lot of food tonight. But she deserves it. Man, I'm still so happy about that win. Here you go, Fiefs. Now you got 2 holes. Go crazy. And then I'll get your tunnel. Actually, I'm gonna heat up some food and then I'll grab this tunnel. Yes, some dinners. Someone's tired.
Yeah.
Tom, what are you doing in Lily's food?
Okay, well, I will talk to you later, girl.
Alright, girlie. Much fun. Have the best day ever. I love you.
Love you. Thanks. Okay, bye-bye.
Fifi in this natural habitat. Lily in her natural habitat, looking grumpy in the morning. Look at Fifi.
Gosh, Tom, why are you doing what Felix does?
Tom, that's Boo Boo's food. That's Boo Boo's food. You don't need to run away when I walk past you.
Thanks for making breakfast.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little moo moos, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little moo. You're like, you open gate, we go home, we go back over other field and eat food. You bring food to us. We like food. Food? There's no other reason you would open this gate. No? You want food? She wants food. He's coming, he's coming. Oh, he's got food. Got food. Food. You have food? You have food? We can hear tractor with food. We like food. We love it. We love it so much. Nope, this is my gate. You can't go past my gate. You guys bring food? Where do you think you're going? Huh? Okay, I'll close this gate. That way you guys don't get so excited. There's... Say, we want breakfast! Breakfast! You guys have all this fresh grass and you prefer Bale because you're lazy. Yes. I know you. You're lazy. Look at all the green grass everywhere. You guys prefer bales. Mainly doing it because you have kids out over there. Where'd they go? Do they come back through the fence? Guess I'll find out. Stay back. Foul beast. There's your food right there, okay? Calm down. They're so noisy. So that was exciting. My shoulder is sore. I'm getting swarmed by mosquitoes. Piss off, mates. 2 bales one day. You girls are so spoiled, and you are not supposed to be over there. And this cow is not our cow. It just ran through the fence down there. So tomorrow, you're getting separated and you're going home. New cows like them too. No, new cow like it. You're so bullies. Look at this guard dog. Protect me as I play with the chickies.
You a guard dog, Bubbles. What are you looking at? Huh? You protecting me?
Well, I got this from Mom's house just because got a new chicken food yesterday, and it's the pellets, and it didn't fit in the other one of these. So for now, this is gonna be like this. I think this weekend I wanted do the final thing and bring it in through the wall for the food, and same with the water. But for the rest of the week, we should just be able to do this. But I did put the heat lamp up there. I am gonna tweak it a little more so I can get it away from the wall. And then I put this camera up here. That's the one that was downstairs on the cat. So I got that brought in. Got this all taped off so it's more waterproof. Brought that up, nailed it down. And then got that same camera right there. So chickies, I now have a picture. Whoa. I have a picture of the nesting boxes, so if there's chickens in there and they go to lay eggs, I'll be able to see it through that camera. And then that camera is basically showing everything. Check to see if that door is open. Same with this door. That's just a picture of basically like right here all the way forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoot that over, and then I'm gonna let these girls go to sleep, and maybe a boy. You a boy? You a boy, homie? So yeah, got it kind of set up now. Just gotta do the water and food, and then I'm completely done with the chicken coop. It's only taking this long, but I also haven't really been doing anything with it. So yeah, guess we'll see. Alrighty, I got it scooted over a few inches. I'll let them be. This, so both of these cameras I got for like $50 for the pair of them, and they're interior blink cameras. So that one's waterproof up there, and that one, hopefully, I did have it on that, but then I flipped it upside down because I was scared about water coming in through that and then getting on it. But I think they're waterproof enough. I've watched a video and a guy had them outside, and he's like, I haven't had any problems with them. They were on his house. So I think it should be okay right there. Shouldn't get wet in here, and if water does come in, should just hit the 2x4 and disperse. Hopefully not onto the camera. Hopefully it just runs down. But yeah, it's going pretty good. Can I get a knuckles, Miss Chicky? Well, it did just hit my hand. What about Mr. Chicky? Are you a boy? I feel like you are a boy. Huh? You a boy? Sassy? Sassy. Sassy. I have a very important question. Are you a boy? You a boy? Okay, I'll let you go. Scoot, scoot. Scoot along now. Go on. Scoot, scoot. But, alrighty. I'm going, Alyssa's first day of work was today at her new job. Sounds like everything went pretty well, so it's always good news. She thinks it's a little boring. It's a whole new position apparently. But she says it's doable. So guess we'll see how much she really likes it once she starts doing like her main job. She'll just be training this week and next week really. So guess we'll see in 2 weeks how much she likes it or hates it. Look how freaking big they're getting.
You guys are getting so big.
Is that nice and warm right there? Hopefully that bulb doesn't break if cold air blows on it. I don't know if it will or not. But if it does break, I do have another one for you guys. You probably don't even need it anymore. Like, you definitely don't need it anymore, but I'm just keeping it on you until it gets more warm. So every day I unplug it in the morning when I water them. Come on, Lily. So it does not stay on them all night or else it'd be way too hot. Come on, Lily. Come on. Come to the backyard. She's like, I don't want to go back outside. You still have a doggy door. But yeah, I unplug it every day and then every night I lock them up and turn it off. So, yeah. Spoiled little girls.
Yeah, he's hunting my dog currently. He's so cute.
Is Tom in the bed?
Yeah.
You just go sleep
Got
or sleep.
allergies again.
Okay, watch this. Throw the ball for Lily. She comes to like here, and then she cuts over and comes to me. What, you like walking in the dirt? She goes to about like right here. Oh, a little farther up this time. Let's see if I can guess it. I'd like to say it's like this hump right here. She goes. Oh, you're so funny, Lily. What hump was it? Was it that one right there? You're so funny. You have to stay on your little pathway. Huh? Don't run into the fence. Good girl. Well, someone's a little too small for the calf shoot. He's tiny, a little peanut. He's so cute. This calf's sleeping. The whole herd's over there. Hey! What are you doing? I was like, where am I? Where did everyone go? Are you talking to me? It's like I'm in no hurry, I can still see him. In Fortnite we call this peace control. In cows it's called baiting. Come on guys! Just got home from work, a little past 9, and look at what these chicks tried to do this morning. I didn't have time to turn it on, But they freaking knocked over the heater that was up there and tried burning the chicken coop down. So, yeah, you guys are grounded. No more heat lamp. Because, Jesus criminy. Looks like you guys need some water. And there's El Protecto Doggo. Yep. Okay. Okay. Good night, chickens. Stay warm. Look at this gang of turtles. There's so many of them. They look like rocks. They'll piled on each other. This. Okay. Another pile of turtles. Another 1, 2, 3 turtles. Another small pile. And then that big pile. There's so many of them. So many turtles. I'm sure there's more we can't see. Well, you would say it, boy. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it, Stanley. They'll lick out. Yeah, okay. Okay. Well, if only I was here for vacation. My boots have holes in the feet, so my feet are so. Heck yeah. Cha-ching. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Whoa, this goes on forever. So pretty. Okay, back to open another head gate. Fifi. Fifi. What is he doing? He's like, just enjoy it. Fifi! Kitty, 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 kitty. What are you doing? Well, Alyssa had a bachelorette party. I just got home. And look at Tom. Aww. Thieves. He likes those streams. But bedtime. He's gonna be up all night attacking this. Oh, shoot. Oh. Lily, say who's the prettiest girl? Who's the prettiest girl dog in the world? They're so stinking cute. But then Faith is gonna fall in that.
Oh, happy Saturday. Oh my goodness, you look so cute. Hi, Tom.
Well, I am currently making something for the chickens, so they have an automatic waterer and feeder. So I ran to Home Depot this morning, got a whole bunch of random crap, and now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna exactly create this. But I think I'll be good. Well, of course I need one more elbow. I was thinking elbow going down, one elbow, and then one elbow through the wall sideways. But I drilled the hole and I was like, well, now I gotta use 2 elbows and then another elbow. So I gotta go buy another elbow, but this is what their water is. It's an automatic waterer. as it fills up, it shuts it off. Kind of cool, kind of fancy. Look at these turds. They're so cute. Well, here's what it looks like so far. I pretty much got everything together. I didn't glue any of this stuff together because I was very unsure about it. But had to run and get one more fitting for that. But this is what it looks like. I was gonna do more of those waterers all the way across. I think I have like 5 or 6 of them. Yeah, I have 6 of them. But then I was thinking, you know what? There's only 6 of them. And yeah, I figured 2 would be plenty. And if so, I did leave a little spot right there. I just cut off right at that cap and plumb in some more, or redo it all. Because these are actually made that you can just self-tap them in. You drill them out with a certain size of drill bit. And then just screw these in. But I actually bought the actual, so I bought these little hoods to go over them, keep stuff out. And then I also bought these where you actually glue them into the pipe. And then just... Hello, girls. They're like, can we come home yet? Yeah, so I just bought these so you can actually just thread them in. So I think that's all. I did just put a screw through these because I was gonna glue them, but they're so freaking hard to get apart when you're just dealing with this tight space. And that didn't need to be waterproofed at all, so I was like, it really doesn't matter. We got the window unit installed. Yay, yay. Ain't gonna love us. Date time.
Wing walk. And then I'm gonna get vegetarian spring rolls. Or egg rolls.